This is Steve's Locksmith shop at 211 North Milford Road, Highland, Michigan. Just doing a little video to show you my new driveway or parking lot. We just had it poured last week. It used to be gravel. And this is my shop. There's my service van. That's at 211 North Milford Road, Highland, Michigan. I'll go up and give you a little video of the inside too. Okay, this is so when you come into the shop. I'll go over each section with you to show you what we do. So we're a full-service locksmith shop, selling everything from padlocks to high-end entry lock sets, and from key tags, key fobs, and everything else. Safes. Here's a few of the different entry sets that we have for residential applications. There's back sets and latches, lanyards. We do carry electronic keypads in stock for residential applications and commercial applications. We carry a full line of front door handle sets. And that's our cappuccino machine, which we can't live without. And one other thing we also do is we do engraving. We do trophies and plaques. There's a little sample of some stuff we do. This way, so customers could have a nice seat while they're waiting for us to do their work for them. And this is where all the key cutting happens. All the different key machines that we use. We have 89,000 key blanks in stock. So if there's a key out there, we probably have it. This was an old house we converted into a locksmith shop. Well, hopefully this lets you know what we do. Got a little popcorn machine there. All right, signing off.